Howdy, this is Travis from KnowHow here. Let's say you've got a junior technician who starts tomorrow and you want to ensure they have the best onboarding possible. Well, normally you could just go to KnowHow, but let's say you don't even have a fully built out KnowHow hub. No worries, we got your back. You already know that we have 600 templates in our template library. Now we also have template onboarding workflows, so that new employee can have a crystal clear, tight onboarding, even if you don't have all your processes in KnowHow yet. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. All right, so what we're looking at here is a brand new KnowHow hub. We've got 600 templates, but you don't have any of those in here. So let's pretend this is a fresh KnowHow hub. Look, we don't even have a logo yet. Do not worry about it. So we're going to go to Add or Edit Workflow and then click this button, Import a Repeatable Workflow. We don't have any repeatable workflows yet, but do not worry about it because KnowHow has all of these templates. Look at these. Assistant Superintendent onboarding, Estimator onboarding, Project Manager onboarding. We've got this new junior technician that's starting. So we're going to click this and then import workflow. This is going to take this workflow out of KnowHow's template library and bring it into your hub with all of the processes that you need in order to make this workflow a reality. So we've got our new employee, Ron Swanson, that starts tomorrow. Junior technician, start date tomorrow. I will be the manager. Click import and create workflow. This is going to create that new workflow from scratch. Look, here is everything that your junior technician needs to know in order to be properly onboarded onto your company. Starts tomorrow. Here's the first few things coming up next. If you want to edit any of these processes, you totally can. You can customize them to your organization. But here's the important point. Your junior technician that starts tomorrow now has a clear roadmap of everything that they need to learn in order to succeed in their role as a junior technician. We've also got it for project managers. You saw it, assistant superintendents. We have it spanning across the board and it's available to you even if you don't have a fully built out KnowHow hub yet. It could not be easier to make sure that all new employees know exactly what they need to do in order to succeed in their role with KnowHow. Thanks to KnowHow's new workflow templates, you've got everything you need whether you have a fully built out KnowHow hub or not. If you want to become a more process-driven company, you know what you got to do. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and head to tryknowhow.com.